Shop twice. Fuck right. Shop twice. Fuck. Give a fuck. Give a fuck. Shop. I don't give a fuck. Twice. I don't give a fuck. Fuck. Give a fuck. Give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Shop. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck. Give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, Spanky. Hi, Fireman. Hi, IDK. Hey, Master Sim. Hey, A. I have to make my room presentable. I played a lot of songs this morning. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Hey, Shadow. Hi, Badger Mayhew. How are you? How's your arm? I was just thinking about you the other day. I was like, I hope her arm is okay. But, who else am I missing? Lots of people, but hello everybody. How is everyone's morning today? Yeah, I did take yesterday off. I did. I was very, very busy with lots of things and stuff. Just kidding. As in Fortnite. Like, a lot of Fortnite. So much that they kicked me off. They didn't kick me off. They had to fix some patches in the system. So they had to shut it off. But it was okay because it was 12 a.m. for me at that time. So it's like they shut it down for me because I wasn't gonna leave. You know. Oh, it's Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Yeah. It is so rainy out. This is the overalls I got. They're kind of cool. They're cool because they also have it on the inside. Yeah. Llama hops and shark attacks are a thing. Yes, they are a thing, of course. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I was talking about the weather. Let's name the bones. We should actually quiz ourselves or have a quiz about all the bones in the body somehow. What's the sticker? What sticker? Fried brain from yesterday. I recovered pretty well. 8 hours of sleep is pretty good. I have never, oh, that's a, it's like just like a stick with paper. It's a paddle. It's a paddle. That's what it is. The other side says, I have, and then that one says, I have never. It's for a game. Yeah. The freaking weather is so bad. It's actually, there's an actual storm. It's storming. It's raining. The wind. I wonder what the miles per hour is for the wind. You know. I don't think it says on this little weather app I'm using. So, I don't think that's true. It says 11, but it's like things are blowing over. The pelicans. Oh my god. Yeah, great paddle boarding weather for sure. I have to make my room and my bed. It's pretty messy in here because of Lucy. But yeah, the poor pelicans. They can't even fly. There was like 15 pelicans in the front yard in the ocean right in front of the house. But still, there were so many, those giant birds. They're not little, they're huge. They're giant birds. And not little pelicans. But I feel so bad for them because they were just getting blown into the side and they couldn't do anything about it. It's just the wind is so strong. And I actually woke up this morning screaming because something, like, I don't know, it was like something blew over, something really big. Like there's a piece of the house on the outside of the house, like the roof, that actually came off. Part of the roof came off and it freaked me out so bad because I was having some really, really weird dreams and I thought there was a bomb and the world was ending because all the commotion outside. So I woke up like, ah! I know. And then I just realized it's the weather. It was scary. Hi Chris JC, thank you. Thank you for the 100 bits. How are you? Alright, this should be on by now. Whoa. But yeah, it's really, really, really cold outside. So I was just thinking we could hang out in here today for a little bit. And I don't know, play some games or chats, hang out, you know how it is. Banana peels. Will we do banana peels? Wax the snowboard. No. Why would I wax the snowboard? The snow is slippery as is. If I wax the snowboard, I'm gonna go flying. It's kind of hot. You love pockets. I love pockets too. Hype train is close. Maybe we can teach Lucy a new trick. I don't know about that. Anything that has pockets, like girl clothes that have pockets, really nice. Oh my god, Lucy! Why do you do this? Every day she just tears it up. You can't stop her from tearing it up. It's not good for me to be doing this either because I'm like allergic to her. So being like up in this bed, it's never good because of her. Yeah. That doesn't look right. Whatever. Good enough. Hype train! About to make you. Yeah, I'll show you the board. It's right here. So excited to use it. Finally. It has literally been sitting there for years. Can you turn on? Okay. TTS should be working now. Yep. Oh, TTS works. It works. All right. So Why do these look so funny? So I'm gonna show you my snowboard now. I have to do it more. Where do you put these things? You can't just hang like this. It looks weird. You've seen it before, but I think it's been a long time. Okay. So this is my snowboard, which I will be using in 2 days. Oh my god. That is coming up really soon. That is just Zoom in. Zoom in by. Yeah. I was supposed to spend my time packing and doing laundry. No! Why would I wax it? Why do you guys want me to wax it? I got some pink bindings. It's freaking nice. Ah! My eyes. Yeah. My snowboard boots are really cool too. Yeah. Oh. Going to Mammoth Mountain. Never been there before. I do know how to snowboard, yes. I don't know how to do many tricks. You know, I can snowboard. I can go down a mountain. And I could, you know, keep up. But I don't know how to do tricks. I think I could do like a baby bunny hop, you know, little hop. But yeah, that's about it. That's about all I could do. On the snowboard, I will need to hit Baker, Crystal Mountain, Stephen Pass, and Whistler. Those are all, oh, and Aspen. Okay. Yeah, it'd be cool to go snowboarding all over. I don't think I'm that good. They seem cool. I want to go snowboarding on Big Island in Hawaii because they have snow there. It snows in Hawaii, actually. Aspen looks pretty. I've seen pictures. I need to get on the book. I think I shall wear these socks. Dry slopes. What is a dry slope? Vale in Breckenridge is covered. That place covered in snow. It's equally covered inside with rainbows. What do you mean? What do you mean covered with rainbows? Actual rainbows? Or the town is painted rainbow? Rainbows, yep. Good old rainbows. Let's think. Oh, Breckenridge. I feel like someone told me about that once. Whoa, it looks really cool. That looks so cute. It's like the cutest. That looks like if gingerbread houses were real. Town. It's so cute. Nice. I don't know. They're just all like so cute and perfect. Like the perfect little. Well, they're not little. I'm just seeing like really big houses. It just looks like a Christmas Wonderland themed place. Yeah, it would smell really good to live in a gingerbread house too. I wonder if they have a gingerbread candle. Maybe. Okay, so I keep like leaning on my desk. I should not lean on my desk because it makes my camera shake. So I shall sit here or back there. But yeah, the weather is so bad. No, I didn't. I actually spent my time playing Fortnite instead of packing. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to pack today. I'll probably pack in a couple hours here tonight or whatever. Yeah, so I have a lot of stuff to do before the trip. Yeah, but that's not a bad thing, you know. A packing stream. Yeah, I was actually thinking about doing a packing stream on Wednesday because I need to I have to do laundry, and I need to organize and do all of that stuff before I can do a packing stream because I want to make sure I have everything I need, you know. I don't want to be like, oh, I have to do this and that because that would get annoying. So I'm gonna prepare today, and then yeah, if I had $1 for every time somebody asked me who punched me in the face, I'd have a lot of dollars. Yes. But yes, no one punched me in the face. It is called blush. Yes, yes. It's kind of funny though. Hey lovely Lace, how are you? Oh yeah. Street fight with a Care Bear. Just kidding. Hi Green. Yeah, that's true. I do get that a lot. People say my laugh is like hers. I laugh like her. I still never looked that up. Yeah. They go fast. Oh, snowmobiles. Pack shotties in case bears. I don't know what that means. Okay. I get it. I get it. You got the deals. Black Friday already happened. Leave me alone. They won't stop hitting me up because they got deals. I have to unsubscribe. I'm subscribed to some like random clothing place that I never even bought clothes from. Like, what? And they text me the most. They text me every day. So all I have to do is text